welcome to my channel Coin Graph Market. Embark on a new crypto adventure with us here. Have you had enough of keeping tabs on the market? Our $1,000 $100,000 trading challenge is available to you for only $79 per month, allowing you to trade like an expert without being tied to your computer. I can automate the process of mirroring your trades. Join Satoshi Swiss today and take your cryptocurrency skills to the next level. We can dominate the crypto world if we work together. Get in on the action by clicking the first link in the description below. The video is about to begin now. Over the past several days, we have seen an assault on the XRP ledger. I want to get into the gravity of this attack, my concerns about it, and what it could mean for the future of XRP in this video. A lot of people are talking about this right now, and I want to tell you what I think about it. Finally, I'd want to talk about a recent court case that many Bitcoin miners have been hoping may reverse the Ripple SEC case's decision that XRP is not a security. It's coming up towards the end of the movie. There's a connection between this and either the Terraform Labs or Terra Luna token cases. If you want to hear some fantastic news about it, you should watch the whole video. It seems like a lot of people are worried about the current attack on the XRP ledger, so before I provide my thoughts, let's touch on it briefly in the video. To begin with, the XRP ledger is a public, decentralized blockchain. At the outset, it is vital to know that the XRP ledger is a decentralized public blockchain. This means that there is no mechanism to stop attacks on it, no one to protect it from attacks, and no one to intervene and disable a specific software component to render it impregnable. Since there will always be dishonest actors and people with a motivation to shut down the XRP ledger, it is not a reasonable response, in my opinion, to suggest that the XRP ledger shouldn't be vulnerable to attacks or that people shouldn't be attacking it. Whether it be a government, JP Morgan, Bitcoin Maxis, or another entity, we must ensure that the XRP ledger is genuinely decentralized and robust enough to withstand any attempt to take it down. The ability of a blockchain to defy corruption by a single institution, stay decentralized, and possess the essential strength to transform the financial system of the future is one of its most crucial aspects. Guys, let me start by saying that I am not at all concerned about this attack before we go into the facts of what is going on. I think the XRP ledger will be able to handle this attack in the near future without any problems if it lives up to my expectations and the expectations of many others. I consider it a major win even if there are little setbacks. If anything happens that can momentarily compromise the ledger, I just need it fixed in a way that the problem can't come back. XRP has only just begun its testing phase. A material's resilience is directly proportional to the amount of stress it can withstand before giving way. Nevertheless, assaults and persons aiming to gain from the XRP ledger's vulnerability or collapse will perpetually transpire. While other blockchains, like Solana, have completely crumbled when tested, the XRP ledger is now handling the current attack with relative ease. The XRP ledger is supposedly running smoothly, according to most Ripple engineers. There's a lot of activity going on at the moment, and transaction fees are likely to be higher, but everyone will benefit greatly if the ledger remains secure. It would not be a catastrophic occurrence, even if it is compromised, as I mentioned before. It is more important to resolve the issue so it does not occur again. To sum up, this is the target of these systems' resistance requirements, which explains why it's generating so much buzz and why people are going crazy about it. There will inevitably be assailants and those seeking to harm this item, so you can't say that an attack shouldn't happen. Whatever happens right now, folks, it makes no difference. Assuming the XRP ledger can fortify itself and restructure itself to better withstand future challenges, the success of other blockchains hinges on its ability to prove its robustness, scalability, and ability to deal with bad data. It seems like the XRP ledger is currently doing just that. I am completely unconcerned about this at the moment. To find any software weaknesses and fix them so the application can handle bidder levels considerably better, I think it's critical that we run these stress tests immediately. But first, I want to share something else that I find absolutely fascinating. The decision by Judge Torres that XRP is not a security has put this issue in the spotlight. In the beginning, there was another court case, the SEX v. Terraform Labs case, if you remember correctly. Attempts by the SEC to label the Terra Lunar's token as a security would be justified in that situation. A number of individuals, especially those who are opposed to XRP and Bitcoin maxis, seized onto this during the briefing and proceeded to use it in their arguments. Everyone was wondering if the new judge would reinstate Terra Luna's security status and, by extension, XRP's security status, after effectively overturning Judge Torres' order. Almost all Bitcoin maxis were predicting that the Terra Luna verdict will nullify XRP's victory. Consequently, this was doomed to occur at some point. In most cases, the XRP community is right and the Bitcoin maxis are completely mistaken when they predict wildly inaccurate future outcomes for XRP and Ripple. But listen up, folks, some news came out today that utterly disproves these Bitcoin maxis once again. These were the same individuals that predicted Ripple's demise and the initial classification of XRP as a securities. So, what we saw today was that the court hearing the Terra Luna case mostly agreed with Court Torres' ruling. This is in accordance with what Meta Lawman, who has shown outstanding skill in analyzing these situations, has stated. The judge ruled that, well, the Terra Luna occurrence was an outlier. You can't generalize the rule to other ecosystems based on what happened there. For example, the Ripple decision and the nature of XRP are very distinct situations. Therefore, despite Bitcoin maxis' wishes, I think this is incredibly important. Judge Torres erred in declaring that XRP is a security if Terra Luna is not. Bitcoin maxis wanted the judge to declare that all cryptocurrencies are the same in the Terra Luna case. Instead, the judge essentially determined that these tokens are entirely distinct. Just because I hold the opinion that the Terra Luna token is doesn't imply that XRP necessarily is. I don't have a solid stance on the merits of the Terraform case, but here are some views I have from yesterday's verdict, according to Stuart Alderoty's comments. First, the truth is paramount. 2. The long-running fight against cryptocurrency that the SLC has been waging through token and litigation, for the sake of gaining political clout at the cost of reasonable laws, is a